Introducing MiraCurl, the world's first fully automatic professional curling machine. It's a revolutionary way to create curls. A tool that automatically forms one perfect curl after another, on any hair length or texture. Consistent. Versatile. Effortless. Everything happens inside. Hair goes in, curl comes out. It's a totally new way to think about styling. MiraCurl is driven by the powerful next-generation Max Life Pro brushless motor. It delivers precision curling control and longer life. And it makes styling easier and faster, curl after curl. Hair is automatically drawn into the nano titanium curl chamber, gently wrapped, held, and heated from all directions. And MiraCurl times it for you to make perfect results foolproof. 3 functions, heat, time, and curl direction, adjust for different hair types and let you create different kinds of curls. Turn on the MiraCurl using the switch next to the temperature indicator light. The light will blink as the unit heats up. When the light glows steadily, you're ready to go. Setting 1 heats to 375 degrees for delicate, fine, or color-treated hair. Setting 2, 410 degrees, is recommended for normal, textured hair. And setting 3 is the highest heat, 450 degrees, for thick, wavy hair. Once you've chosen the proper heat setting, select the appropriate time setting. Select 0 to time the curl yourself. If you choose 0, simply keep the handles closed until you're ready to remove the hair. When you choose timed settings, 8, 10, or 12 seconds, the MiraCurl will start counting when you close the handles and then beep at regular intervals while the curl is being formed. 3 times for 8 seconds, 4 times for 10 seconds, 5 times for 12 seconds. The machine will signal 4 beeps in quick succession when the time is up and the curl is done. With instant heat up and recovery, MiraCurl is always ready to go. You can even choose the direction of the curl. Right starts the curl clockwise. Left goes counterclockwise. And setting A alternates the direction of each successive curl for a more natural-looking head of curly hair. Here are a few styling tips to keep in mind when using MiraCurl. Always start with dry hair. Use hairspray if you'd like a more defined style. MiraCurl can be used on real hair, whether it's your own or extensions. Straight or wavy, it's all good. But do not use on any kind of synthetic hair. Always position the MiraCurl with the open part of the curl chamber facing toward the head. Insert hair section into the V portion of the curling chamber. Ensure the hair section is straight and placed neatly through the center of the styler. It always helps, especially with wavy hair, to comb through the section of hair that is about to be curled before placing it in the curling chamber. For best results, use a section of hair that is not too wide. We recommend up to 1.5 inches wide for straight hair and 1 inch wide for wavy or heavily textured hair. For longer hair, below the shoulders, use a smaller section to make sure that the curling chamber is not overloaded. If for any reason too much hair is drawn into the curling chamber, MiraCurl is smart. The machine will stop and the curling motor will reverse. Simply redo with a more narrow section of hair. Okay, let's get started. We'll do 4 popular curl types, the basis for a number of great styles. For a looser, more subtle curl, our stylist chooses a heat setting of 375 degrees and a time setting of 8 seconds. Curl direction is either right or left, clockwise or counterclockwise. Hold the styler with the curl chamber opening facing the head. Decide where you want the curl to start and position the styler there. Make sure the hair section is straight and in the center of the styler. When you close the handles, the hair will automatically be drawn into the chamber. Once hair is drawn in, the timer will start, and you'll hear 3 slow, steady beeps. When you hear 4 rapid beeps, open the handles and gently pull the styler away from the head to release a beautiful, relaxed, silky curl. You can leave the curls just as they are, or use your fingers to comb through and change up the style. Notice the shine? That's nano-titanium technology at work. Next, we'll do a spiral curl. The stylist has chosen a heat setting of 450 degrees, a time setting of 12 seconds, and the right curl direction. Left curl direction can be used as well. Close, hold, release. Make one perfect spiral curl after another. Then loosen it up a little to finish. To create more natural, undone-looking curls, our stylist uses a heat setting of 410 degrees, a time setting of 10 seconds, and sets the direction to A for alternate. Close, hold, release. Curl direction automatically alternates right and left with each curl. Results are perfect, easy, totally relaxed. And you can brush those curls into glamorous waves to take the style from natural to elegant in seconds. One of the most unique looks you can create with the MiraCurl is a retro chic style. Use a heat setting of 450 degrees, a time setting of 12 seconds, and set the curl direction to left or right. Work with 1-inch sections, starting at the nape of the neck close to the scalp. Work your way up to the top of the head. As you release each curl, guide it to lie flat against the head and use a pin curl clip to secure it. When the curls are cool, let them all down. Then brush the hair into silky smooth retro waves. With the MiraCurl, you can create a virtually endless variety of styles. And this miracle curl machine is worry-free. Smart tech safety and energy-saving features include auto shutoff to turn the unit off after 60 minutes if you forget, sleep mode to lower the temperature to 300 degrees if MiraCurl is idle for 20 minutes, and a motion sensor to heat it back up the minute you pick it up and close it. MiraCurl, the revolutionary new professional curling machine. It's going to change the way stylists curl hair. MiraCurl, only from BaByliss Pro.